Today we're doing Eureka Math Module 5, Lesson 2, and we're adding on to what we learned yesterday. By today, we're still thinking about volume of 3D figures, but we're going to think about volume about how we can pack it with unit cubes. Yesterday we found volume by counting how many cubes it took to build a structure, and today we're going to think about filling a structure with unit cubes in order to find out its volume. It's kind of like what we were doing when we were trying to find the volume of our classroom by filling it with ping pong balls. You guys remember that? Okay, it's kind of the same idea. But first, let's talk about the problem of the day. When you look at your Lesson 2 problem set, it says to shade the following figures onto centimeter graph paper. Do you see that picture that I have right here? Do you guys see this picture in your book? You'll see 4 that are shaded in, and then 4 boxes on either side, okay? This is called a net. Everyone say net. A net is a pattern that you could cut and fold to make it into a 3D figure, okay? So what you're going to do together as a group of 2 or 3 is we're going to be about A first, but we're going to cut and fold it out. We're going to first trace it onto our centimeter grid paper. Then we're going to cut and fold it to tape, and then we're going to tape it so that they hold their shapes. Let me show you what that's going to look like. Then you're going to pack each box with cubes. You're going to write how many cubes it takes to fill the box. So we can see that it takes 8 cubes to fill this box. So therefore, the volume of this box is 8 cubic centimeters. Right. Okay. All right, 5th graders, what's your prediction? How many cubes would fit inside this box? Everyone?
16 cubes.
16 cubes. Very nice. We can see that there are 2 layers. Do you guys see that there's a front layer and a back layer? Do you guys see that? Okay, and how many cubes are...
I can't get the answer to...
Okay. How many cubes are in the front layer? How many cubes are in the front layer? 8 cubes. And then so 8 times 2 is 16 cubes. Very good.